Ladies and gentlemen, a man who is responsible for the most solved cases by any homicide detective in U.S. history, Detective Jacob King.
Jacob King is one tough cop who doesn't always play by the rules.
We do shit a little bit different down here in the South, but you're welcome to come along for the ride.
Now he's under investigation for use of excessive force.
Billy Joe was gonna blow that girl wide open with C4. You can't be thinking this guy's gonna walk.
Our boy Billy Joe just got out. Within 6 hours, he killed somebody else. How you like that?
One killer charms his victims.
Ain't no cure for my sickness.
That animal should be put to death.
Another killer stalks them.
You live to prey on the sick and the weak and innocent. But I love to prey on sick people like you.
Seagal